How to set any song as your iPhone ringtone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can set any song as your iPhone ringtone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'll actually need to do is have the MP4 or any audio file of that very sound that you want as your ringtone. After that, you'll need to have it on your file right here in the files section here and just have it. After you do that, now setting it as your ringtone should not be hard. So if you don't know how you can get the song or anything on your files, you can simply use a PC for that. Now, after you've done that, you will need to have the GarageBand. So if you don't have the GarageBand, you can get it from your app store. It's really easy. You can easily download this on your iPhone. After that, you can open this up. And after you open this up, you'll find your GarageBand's this section where you are actually on your files. From here, you can choose the files. You can simply go to on my iPhone, you can go to the file location where you saved your song at. So you can check for that song. So let me just go back to recents here and then select the song. So I'll just choose this My Song one. And this will open up. So here you can see this is an audio file and it has been imported in my timeline already. Now, if I want to add it as my ringtone, I can make some edits in it. I can simply change the timeline here. I can add some things. I can choose loop. I can cut this music. So if I tap on my pad here, let me paste that. So if I want, I can just simply cut this. And let's say this is the part that I want as my ringtone. Now what I can do is save this first. So tap on my songs here, it'll get saved and there you can see my songs. Now what you can do is long press on this. There you will find you can rename this if you want to. Then I'll just select this here and tap on this share button on the bottom left. Then after I tap on it, I'll find three options. The second one is the ringtone one. If I tap on my ringtone, it'll just get added as my ringtone. I can change this name here to whatever I want. So I'll just name it random song. And after I do that, I can simply export this. After I export this, I can tap on use sound as option and simply select my standard ringtone. After doing that, it's now set as my ringtone. And yeah, that's how you set any song as iPhone ringtone. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.